Okay, so I caught her, and it is a her, and she's cute as a... Now that Daisy comes up for milking, often she brings a big part of the rest of the herd with her. And then they just sort of congregate up here waiting for something good to happen to them. So we chase them back down. You can see we've had a lot of really nice weather, getting lots of melt and lots of mud. Everybody loves mud season. So hopefully it dries up soon. That was like a little twister. That was so weird. All right, so there's Oakley. We got him moved into this corral. There's Jet over there. And just for shelter, we got these two carved out IBC totes, and they with some straw in there so they can just bunk into there, and they got all kinds of room to run now. So we'll come out here to feed them their milk. Stubby! I gotta deal with the dog. Jet's pretty stoked to have a lot of room to run and jump. Stumble a little bit. Oakley's not quite sure. But it's a very exciting time to be a calf. Okay, so the other day, a couple days ago, we noticed this ewe limp right to the ground. And Sarah and I looked at her. I don't know why she was limping because she stopped, but we noticed her udder was big. And it's too early for that udder to be that big. So we got thinking, and we remembered that at one point, one of the Suffolk ewes hopped in to the ram pen, and it took us a while to get her out, and we didn't have our eyes on her every minute she was in there. And at the time we joked, well, we'll have to mark this day on the calendar, because maybe we'll have a lamb, ha ha ha. And here we are, about 2 months early, with a lamb on the ground. And it looks as though one of the Katahdin rams, which is a hair ram, which is a non-wool sheep, was the one that got on her. And so I'll have to see. I haven't gotten close yet. She's nervous about the dogs. The dogs have just noticed the baby, and she's chased them off. So they're sitting there feeling sorry for themselves. But I'll see if I can get close and see if it's a boy or a girl. Okay, so I caught her, and it is a her, and she's cute as a button. She's very inquisitive. Oh, look how inquisitive you are. And she looks very strong and healthy, and Mom is upset about this, so I better put her down. But yeah, first lamb of the year. Well, not exactly. I guess Lambo had the first lamb of the year. No, that was just after Christmas. So yeah, first lamb of the year. Exciting stuff. Now I got them reunited. And yeah, she's a good mom. She's looking after her good. Concerned about her. This is perfect. I don't see the need to do anything here. Mom's got things well in hand. She loves her baby. There's no need to put a claiming pen together. You just let things go the way they go. Yeah. Excellent. So here we are the second day, and the mother has brought the little lamb kind of more into general population here. Seems to be doing very well, good and strong. Seen it sucking a bunch of times. A lot of the other sheep, especially the ewes who haven't, like they'll be the first time lambing ewes this year. They're very intrigued by this little package, although that's starting to wear off now. But yeah, it's the only action we're gonna get for another 2 months probably. And we're happy to have it though.